Hello, everyone. Look what I've got over here. It's the puppets. All boys and girls love puppets. And I've taken them all. When they wake up in the morning, they're going to be crying because I've got the puppets. I wonder what they'll do. They'll cry. Now, let's see. There must be a few hiding under the beds. I'm going to see if I can find some more. Off I go to find the puppets. Find the puppets.
Ooh. Hello, everybody. It's me, Mr. Bose. Oh, look. The witch. She's got lots and lots of puppets. Oh, boys and girls would love these puppets. I must take them into town. They would be very happy to see them. Ooh. Come along, let's take these puppets into town for the children to play with. Ooh. Where are all the children? Oh, I suppose I'd scare them if I stay here. Do you think they'll find the puppets in the woods, everyone? Woo-hoo! I'll go and hide and see if someone comes along. I hope so. I hope they like the puppets. Oh, there's someone coming. I better go.
Come on. I bet there's something scary in the woods. Oh, everybody come and see what I found. Oh, Jack, what have you found? Oh, Sue, look, it's Fidget. We came to be scared in the woods because it's Halloween, and look, we found